Wellsafe Solutions was founded to look at well decommissioning. That was the purpose of the company. Part of that was looking at how we re-enter old legacy wells. The conventional method was to go with an LWIV followed by a rig. The installation of the dive spread module on the Wellsafe Guardian marks a milestone for Wellsafe Solutions.
The dive system being installed on the Wellsafe Guardian will allow us to have 12 divers in saturation. This will enable the rig to continue 24-hour diving operations from the system. Wellsafe Guardian with the dive system and the Trendsetter Trident system will be the only rig in the North Sea that has these two capabilities. Taken together, this will allow us to continue simultaneous operations which other rigs cannot do.
One of the benefits of the Wellsafe Guardian with the Trendsetter system and the saturated dive module installed on it allows us to come along in a single mobilisation, re-enter the wells, do the initial phases of the plug, lubricate and suspension of the wells, then move directly on to the second phase from the deployment of the BOPs and marine riser systems from the rig. The Wellsafe Guardian with the saturated dive module and the Trendsetter Trident system installed offers up the industry our single asset solution. This allows us to go out, re-access old legacy wellheads and deliver safe, efficient and smart well decommissioning operations on behalf of our customers. We're delighted to be able to bring this solution to the market as part of our vision to become the trusted decommissioning partner of choice.